Hello everyone. Today we are going to study polynomials. What do you mean by polynomial? It is a mathematical expression. It is a mathematical expression in which a constant term is multiplied with one or more than one variable. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी कैन से एक ऐसा मैथमेटिकल एक्सप्रेशन जिसमें एक कांस्टेंट टर्म मल्टीप्लाई होता है वन और मोर देन वन वेरिएबल के साथ. एग्जाम्पल इज 2x plus 3. This is a polynomial. Similarly, 2x square plus 5x plus 3 is also a polynomial. Another example you can say 3x square minus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. This is also a polynomial. इसको लिखिए, फिर हम आते हैं काइंड्स ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल्स पे. Now let's come to types of polynomial. What are the types of polynomial? Monomials. Monomials is what? A polynomial which has only one term present in it. Example 4x 3x square 2xy, ये सारे मोनोमियल्स हैं. Now the second type is binomials. Binomials is a type of polynomial in which it has exact two terms. Example 4x plus 3 comma 4x plus 3y comma 4xy minus 5x, ये सारे बाइनोमियल्स हैं. राइट इट डाउन. After binomials we have trinomials. Trinomials क्या होता है? A polynomial which has exact three terms. Example 4x square minus 5x plus 3, or you can say 2x plus 3y minus 7. These all are trinomials. Now the next is zero polynomial. Zero polynomial, a polynomial whose constant term is equal to 0, or it does not have any degree. ये होता है जीरो पॉलिनोमियल्स. इसको राइट इट डाउन, देन वी गो. ओके, कहानी पॉलिनोमियल्स की यहीं तक थी, जो थ्योरी वाली पार्ट थी. अब आते हैं हम एक्सरसाइज पे. एक्सरसाइज 2.1. एक्सरसाइज 2.1 में पहला क्वेश्चन है आप लोगों का. You have which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? State reason. First is 4x square minus 3x plus 7. ठीक है, इसमें we have to say which of the expressions are polynomials in one variable. So what will be the answer? This is a polynomial of variable 1 because only one variable is there, x terms. So you can say it is a polynomial of one variable x. Similarly, we have another question, that is y square plus root 2. This is also a polynomial of variable y. Polynomial of variable y. Write it down. Okay, now we have the second question, that is we have to find the coefficient of x square. What is coefficient? The first thing is, what do you mean by coefficient? Coefficient means the term that is associated with the variable. Example, if we write a equation 3x square minus 5x and we have to know where the coefficient of x square, so the coefficient of x square will be coefficient of x square will be 3. So this is coefficient. Now let's come to the question first on the coefficient part. Now question number 4, we have asked the degree of the polynomial. How do we define degree? Degree means the highest power associated with the variable. Highest power associated with the variable is called degree. Example, we take 4x cube minus 3x square plus 5. So the highest power of x is 3. So we can say degree of polynomial is 3. So here we have asked the degree of this polynomial. So as I have said earlier, that degree is the associated highest power on the variable. So here the highest power of variable is 3. So we can say degree of the polynomial is 3. Similarly, we take one more question, and the question is 4 minus y square. What is the highest power in this variable? 2. So we can say degree is degree of the polynomial is 2. Other questions? Now we have exercise 2.2. Question number 1 is find the value of polynomial. Find the value of polynomial px is equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at first option is x equal to 0, second is x is equal to minus 1, and third is x is equal to 2. So when we solve this polynomial, we have to put the value of x in the polynomial. When it is asked find the value of polynomial, then we have to put the value of x in the polynomial. So let's solve the first part. Put x equal to 0. So now p0 is equal to 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 plus 3. So we know 5 into 0 is 0, minus 4 into 0 is also 0, plus 3. So we can say at p0 value is 3. So now let's find the B option, that is put x is equal to minus 1. So when we put x equal to minus 1, we have the polynomial p minus 1 is equal to 5 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 square plus 3. So 5 into minus 1 is minus 5, minus 1 square will be plus 1, so 4 into plus 1 will be minus 4 and plus 3. Minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9 plus 3 is minus 6. So p minus 1 is equal to minus 6. Okay, now let's solve the third part. At x is equal to 2. So p2 is equal to 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 square plus 3. So we have 5 into 2 is 10 minus 2 square is 4, 4 into 4 is 16 and plus 3. So we get minus 3. So at p is equal to 2, the value is minus 3. Write it down. Okay, now as I know you can solve exercise 2.1 and exercise 2.2. So let's study the last topic of this chapter, that is by dividing a polynomial by the given term to find the remainder, either using direct method or by using long division method. So first, by direct method. So by direct method, it is same as we were solving the exercise 2.2. So let's say if an equation is x power 4 plus x power 3 minus 2x power 2 plus x plus 1 is divisible by x minus 1, we have to find the polynomial. So solution, We know x minus 1 is the dividend, so is equal to 0, so x is equal to 1. Okay, now we will write the similar way by putting value of x equal to 1 in the given polynomial. This was the given polynomial. Let's write at x equal to 1. One power 4 is 1, plus 1, minus 2, plus 1, plus 1. So we get answer is 2. Method. So we will dividend, we put the complete polynomial here, and we will divide this. So we need power 4, so we will do x power 3, we get x power 4 minus x cube, right? So we get cancel out, this will be 2x power 3. Now write this one will come down, 2x power 2. Now let's check, this will multiply with 2x square. So when we multiply with this 2x square, we get 2x cube minus 2x square. Now we'll subtract, addition, this will cancel out. Now we have x, so we have x, so we'll multiply 1. We can write down x plus 1 together. So when we multiply with 1, we'll get x into x is x, and plus into minus is minus 1. Now we'll subtract this, so this is cancel and remainder is 2. So this is the long division method. Either we can do by long division method or by direct method. It's on up to you or the question asked accordingly. So this was the chapter polynomial.